refrigerator is open. Okay, everyone. Sorry if it sounds like my voice is 10 miles away. It's not, I promise. I'm just back here on my couch because my controller has a charge. But I'm going to show you how to build a little, like, laptop. Let's just get on with it. So first, you're going to need a block of quartz in case you mess up, because as you can tell, my wall right here, the area that I'm going to be using is block of quartz. And I need that block of quartz in case I mess up. So, block of quartz, that's block of iron, block of quartz right there, first one. Next, you are going to need block of black concrete. You're going to go to the second one, go down, black concrete. Next, you are going to need dark gray concrete, which will be over here. Next, you're going to need a button. Now, not the wooden button, but I mean, if you like it, go ahead, be my guest. But I prefer the metal button. Next, you're going to go back to the first one, go down, down. I have white stairs, so it can match wool/chair. And then next, you're going to need weight pressure plate, which is very heavy. You're going to go on to the ladder and the redstone, and it'll say the same thing. Make sure you get that. So first, you're going to find the area where you want to put your screen, which my screen is going to go right here. It's very dark. So it's going to go right there, right there. And then I'm going to take my gray concrete, and you may think it stops right there. Put the button on the side and the keyboard. But would you look at that? There's only one. So what you're going to do, I think it looks way better like that if you put a button right there and like that. And the stairs, you're going make sure you're not facing this way. How you would look at the TV, fly up or jump up, and like put your back against the wall, and then place the chair. So yeah, that's how you make this little laptop desk thingy. Other people do it the other way. I do it like this because this is the only way. But some people, they also like to add a second chair. It really just depends on how it's looking and how much room it takes up. So yeah, and first I'm gonna go to sleep. But before I wake up, well, I probably am in like a second. I was right. If you're wondering where I got these from, if you play on the PS4, if you're wondering where I got this from, you will notice everywhere you check, there's none of these. I mean, look. Nothing. You can see? There's nothing. And these are really pretty. So, what I did is I built a ender portal. So, jump through that. Yay, my little guards are still here. So what you're going to do is you're going to fly over to the second portal. Oh my block. Okay, and then you're going to fly up here, and well, would you look at there? Boom. And then just keep on hitting them until you actually, get one. Is that one? Nope. What I mean is okay, so you see this ender pearl? If you hit circle, it leaves behind. So, and if you keep on hitting the little flag things, that's what it'll do. So yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm going too slow. how you get that. Next, I'm going to show you how you get your trash can. Now, I need a trash can for my living room, bathroom, and kitchen, and my bedroom. So what you're going to do is I already have one, but you're going to get a hopper, and this emerald ore is just for, example. But where you're going to get the hopper is you're going to go to the ladder and the redstone, this part, and then you're going to get the hopper. Now, you may not see it because it's zoomed in, but I have it on my tripod, but so yeah, that's where you're gonna get it. Okay, I don't know if you can see very well with it like that. Ow. That'll be good. But anyways, as I was saying, the hopper, it's going to be where the ladder and the redstone is showing, right here. So, yeah, and then just pick any cube for an example. So, I want to place my trash can over here. So that's going to be my trash can, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to hit circle, and it just throws it away. And then if you break it, you get all your stuff back. So it's almost like a chest, except I think it's a little cooler. Because, I mean, it looks like a trash can. I mean, it just sort of, I mean, you can't really get it back unless you break it. So, I mean, yeah. But that's how you do that. If you guys liked it, make sure you give it a big